This is for all my baddies on a budget. There is not one product that I use today that is over $10. We are doing a full face of one of the best and underrated brands to exist, Catrice Cosmetics. Before we get into foundation, let's prime this face. I'm gonna use the Catrice Skin Glaze. This is only $8. $8 freaking dollars, and it's supposed to give you glass skin, but it's also supposed to extend your makeup. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but this looks white, but it's really like a pearl color. It looks really cool, and girl, this is liquid. This is literally not thick at all. Can you see the pearl? Or does it just look white? This is super hydrating, super lightweight, but I did moisturize my skin before this because even if you use a primer, girl, you should always do that. I love this dropper. I feel like it makes applying this so easily. I actually had someone comment on one of my videos literally using a Catrice product, and it was also a dropper, and they said,
"You cannot be giving makeup advice if you're putting the dropper all over your face."
Girl, I'm not using this makeup on anyone but me. I could put the dropper in my mouth if I wanted, girl. Apply your foundation, apply your primer, however you want. This feels so good. I want to just keep layering and layering it. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to use it, but it just feels so hydrating. I feel like this is definitely giving that glass skin look. I like this a lot, but a primer is only as good as how it looks underneath the foundation. So let's get into the foundation, honey. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. I'm pretty sure this is one of their newest releases. I think it came out last year. When I tell you I was shocked at how freaking incredible this foundation was, girl, I was shocked. This is only $10, and it is truly one of the best foundations on the market right now, high-end or affordable. Girl, we are just in the economy where they don't make foundations this price anymore. My only complaint about this foundation is the dropper sucks. Girl, it sounds like it's tooting on my face. Nothing comes out. It's actually terrible. They definitely need to redo that. Yeah, the dropper sucks. This is a matte foundation. What the fuck is on my brush? Girl, what happened in the beauty room when I wasn't here?
Stop clowning around, Wiggles. You know exactly what's going on.
This is a matte foundation, and I do not like matte foundations, girl, but this is truly so beautiful. I do not know what is in here, but I swear it's like the perfect in between. So if you're looking for a matte foundation that's super matte with zero glow, this one is not for you. I feel like this is the perfect in between a matte foundation and a hydrating foundation. Somehow they did both. They made a matte foundation hydrating. It also just blends so easily. A little bit goes a long way. I feel like I put way too much on, and it really just looks and feels like a second skin. A little bit on the forehead. That was probably too much. I'm telling you, you do not need a lot of that. Look at how quickly that just spread over my forehead. I feel like the combo of this hydrating primer with this foundation literally looks incredible. This does not look like drugstore affordable makeup, people. It looks high-end and it feels so good. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. If you don't like matte foundations, you should still give this a try because I don't like matte foundations and I think this is absolutely incredible. I literally love it. Catrice truly has one of the best under eye brighteners on the market. These are so good. They went viral for a reason. If you have dark circles, if you look tired, if you have discoloration, this is going to be your new best friend. It's only $6, and it's not like a concealer where you're getting full coverage, heavier looking makeup. It's just gonna give you that awake look, and it's really serum-y, so it feels so good underneath your eyes. You can wear this alone, or you can put concealer on top of it to make it extra bright. I'm gonna use the pink shade, and you can definitely just dip your finger in here and go right in, but I'm gonna use a brush. Where the hell's my brush? This pink shade too is just so pretty. Look at that coverage. A lot of under eye brighteners too will feel heavy or sticky and greasy. This does not feel like that at all. I have tried a lot of high-end under eye brighteners and I always go back to this. It's one of the best. It is the best, girl. Look at the difference. You're kidding. It literally looks so freaking good. I definitely don't have a lot of discoloration. I don't really have dark circles, but the brightness that this gives your under eye, girl, am I sleeping 5 hours or am I sleeping 10? You tell me. I also just love this pink shade. It is the perfect under eye shade. You can also build this up and put concealer on top of this, but girl, I'm not going to because it did what it needed to do. It's giving bright, it's giving glowy, it's giving hydrated. We're moving on to the next step. If you watch my videos, you know I rave about this bronzer girl. I mean, look at her. She's been used. I think there's a few hairs in there. I do not shut up about this bronzer. I grab this over my high-end cream bronzers all the time because it really is that good. And girls, you already know it's only $7 freaking. I always just start with a little bit because this is so pigmented and it really just melts into your skin. If you're new to cream bronzer, I feel like this is a really good one to pick up, and it's not because it's affordable. It's just so easy to work with. Like, I barely blended this and it just melted into my foundation. It's also not patchy and it doesn't pull warm. Like, what more do you want, girl? My only complaint about Catrice, and this is not even just the bronzer, this is kind of just in general, is they need more shades. There is truly not enough shades at all. This bronzer only comes in 2 shades. So obviously it's not gonna work for everyone, and I love this brand so much that I want it to work for everyone. So Catrice, if you're listening, girl,
We need more. What? Teeth. We need more teeth.
I'm also gonna put this on my eyelid just to give it a little bit more dimension. We're looking bronze, we're looking sun-kissed, but we need some blush, honey. Catrice actually has a lot of blushes to pick from. They have cream, they have a stick, they have liquid. They literally have everything and anything you could possibly imagine. So whatever blush you like, I'm sure you will find something. This is also new from Catrice. This is their cream blush palette. It comes with 5 blushes and a highlighter shade. So you can mix and match and pretty much do whatever you want. You're probably thinking maybe this is 10, 15, 20. Girl, it is only $8 freaking. You get 5 blushes and a highlight shade. That is actually the best deal I've ever heard in my entire life.
I need it.
This is definitely a balmy formula. It's kind of like a cream, but more balmy, if that makes sense. But girl, look at the pigment. The pigment in an $8 blush palette. Girl, you're kidding. And this highlight shade, Disco Ball. I'm gonna go in with this light shade right here. That is the most beautiful light pink blush. I'm gonna use the darker shade that's right next to it just because I want a little bit more color. That is actually my dream pink cheek. It's so pretty. I'm not even gonna repeat that $8. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna keep doing it. You already know. I'm shocked every time. I've used this palette multiple times. Every time I use it, I'm shocked. If you like liquid blushes and a super pink cheek, definitely try this one because girl, the swatch speaks for itself. Their cream blushes are also insanely pigmented. I don't know how makeup can be so affordable and so good. Like, someone please explain it to me. What lab are they in? Because girl, I'm about to open up my own brand. Ooh, that pigment, honey. This is actually a Catrice product I have never tried before, and no girl, it is not the under eye brightener. It is the sister. It is the under eye setting powder. And I'm a little afraid to use it, girl, because the reviews are mixed. And you know how I feel about a powder. It either makes one look or it breaks it. There is no powder that is just okay. It's either really good or really bad. This is pretty much the same exact shade as the under eye brightener, so I kind of have high hopes. It feels very finely milled. It's not glowy. Good things are happening. Let's see how this looks underneath the eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit on my powder puff and lightly go in. Pray for me, girl. Because right now the makeup is eating. I actually don't hate this. I don't think it looks bad. I don't think it ruined my makeup, but I do think it looks a little darker right here. So is this the best powder I've ever used? No. Am I gonna use it again? Probably not. Would I recommend it? No, girl. No, I wouldn't. It does not look bad. It does not look terrible. And you really can't even tell on camera. But I can tell just based off of the powder that I use every single day that it is darker right here. And I don't like how that looks. I feel like it's giving eye bag. It really does not look that bad, you guys, but I am not about to hype it up if it's something I'm never gonna use again. I'm also gonna use this to set pretty much everywhere else. I'm actually gonna take this liquid blush and literally use the most microscopic amount and lightly put very little back onto my cheek just to bring a little bit of life and glow to my skin. It's really subtle, but it just looks more dewy and fresh. This might be one of my favorite Catrice products ever. This is a dupe for the Fenty Diamond Bomb, which is $43. This is an eighth of the price. And I promise you, side by side, they literally look identical. This is so freaking sparkly. It's actually what my dreams are made of. You can use this as a highlight or an eye topper. It's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna use this as a highlight and an eye topper because girl, how can you not? Another thing that is super cool about this is it's kind of like a putty formula, but it totally goes on like a powder. You can use a brush, you can use your finger, you can apply this however you want. I'm gonna put this on my eye first. It's so beautiful and it doesn't feel wet. So even though it's putty and it is so intense, it does not feel wet at all and you don't need to put a glue on your eye for this to stick. How freaking gorgeous is that? I love that this is white too, so you can really do any eye look and this is gonna look good. You guys, I don't know what other words to describe this except absolutely insanely gorgeous. I need to make myself stop adding it because I'll just keep going. And no white cast. The best part is there is no white cast and this is a white highlighter. It doesn't look chalky, it doesn't look heavy. It literally feels like nothing because it's a putty and it just makes you glow, girl. It almost looks wet and I love that look, but I hate the feeling of like a sticky highlighter and my hair clinging to it. It's actually the worst. This somehow looks wet and it's completely dry. This will change your life. Before I do my mascara and lips, I'm gonna set my face. You can actually prime with this as well, which is really cool, but this is the Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. My skin obviously already looks pretty glowy because of this highlight, but the foundation was matte, so we're just gonna bring a little bit more life back. Also, that smells really good. If you're sensitive to fragrance, you might not like it, but I personally love how that smells. We're glowy, honey. I feel like my skin looks so good. Now that I'm doing this video, I'm actually realizing that Catrice released a lot of stuff last year, and this is another new product by Catrice. This is the Hyper Lash Mascara. I love this wand. Look how freaking huge this wand is. Girl, it's massive. And the formula of this is perfect because it's not too wet and it's not too dry. It's kind of in between. A lot of times I'll have to scrape off product. I do not need to do that with this mascara. Because this is that in between of wet and dry, you might have to do a few more layers just to get the length that you want. But I really don't mind that. My lashes are actually the worst they have ever been right now. And girls, because I'm picking them. Yeah, I'm picking them. I just catch myself doing it when I'm stressed out or anxious or bored, so I need to stop. Before, after. It's giving length, honey. I just threw on a lip liner because I don't have a Catrice one, but I do have a lot of their lippies. These are the Catrice Diamond Glaze. Look how gorgeous these are. It's basically what I have on my cheek in a tube, colored. I think I'm gonna use the Catrice Diamond Glaze, but I also have their Juicy Lip Oils, which I love. I personally don't really like this kind of packaging for a lip oil just because it does get so nasty. Like, look at that. Girl, that's gross. And once you twist this up, you can't twist it down. So you can't really gauge how much product you're actually using, but the lip oil formula itself is so hydrating. It's incredible. I literally just spent the past 10 minutes trying to read the shade on this freaking tube, but this is the shade I'm using. It's a really light pink, and I think it will just look so good with this look. I thought that smelled good, but it kind of smells and is giving me a hint of like cherry medicine. I love that this is pink and glittery. It's the perfect lip topper. This is officially a full face of Catrice Cosmetics. I cannot believe that not one thing was over $10, and my makeup actually looks like it's all high-end. I would literally recommend every single product that I tried except the under eye setting powder, and girl, I'm being picky. Like, the makeup looks so freaking good. If you are going to get anything from everything that I showed you, I would absolutely recommend this blush palette. It's only $8. You get 5 blushes and 1 highlighter. It's such a bang for your buck. I would also recommend the foundation because you just cannot go wrong with having an amazing holy grail base product. I love doing these full face videos. I think they're one of my favorites. So comment below and let me know what brand you want to see in a full face video next. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.